What's up, YouTube? This is MWGPLYR from PSP Mod. I'm making this video to show you how to replace your keys, replace your pads, in case, like, say, like, your square button got stuck, which usually happens because it's right beside the screen. As you can see, there is no screen in here, and there is no. Let me help you out by taking this off. A little cleaning cloth right here. No scratches on the screen. Over here you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws over here, and then you have 2 over here. Understand that as you can see, I've already done some work on this, that I did not place all screws back in. If you want complete disassembly instructions, I suggest another YouTube, or better yet, go to pspmod.com and go to our guides and how to disassemble it for PSP. Okay. Just work with it a bit and it'll all come apart. Okay. Now you should have a screen here and you should have this here. You want to start out by removing your home key, which is simple enough. Just work with it a little bit. Once you figure out how to, once you do this a couple times, you'll figure out how to do it real quick. So there you go. You're gonna, with your screen, you're gonna stick your small little screwdriver right in between there, and you're gonna lift it up all 4 corners until the top. I believe I only have 1 or 2. Now you have your motherboard and directional keys stuck on there on the 1000 model. Here's another flap, flip that up, slide this out, lift this right out of here. Let's see, that was broke, and just take that out. We're going to immediately replace it instead of just taking everything apart. With these little cords, they are, or these little cables, I should say, they are hard to slide in and out. Will slide in. They're easy enough to slide out. Once you have it in there, as far as you can, put the flap back down, put this up here, put it back in its housing. As with the other one, it's fairly straightforward. 1 screw, roll it over, flip this up, slide it out, place your screen holder. It's fairly simple to fit in there. Make sure you have the proper screws in the right places. As I said, it's fairly straightforward as well. After you pop your screen back in, you want to put this back on. Slide into its little cable housing, flip it down, place it on the outside of this metal casing. There are little holes on the side of it. There you go. Again, my triggers keep falling out. I don't know why. Then we're going to place our front casing back on it. Try and make sure your home row key, the keys down here, line up with the casing below. Make sure your triggers are properly in. We're just going to pop our screws back in. Thank you, and goodbye.